So today I have another video for you guys. So today I am doing pretty much a go-to makeup tutorial, and when I do makeup, what I do, because usually I do tutorials, like I did a Jaclyn Hill Palette tutorial, that's what I'm using today, and I mean that's not what I would usually wear when I go out, so you'll get to see what I wear. And I also want to just do a chit chat and talk about why I've been gone for 3 months. So yeah, let's just get into the video before I talk too much, as I usually do. And by the way, this makeup tutorial is inspired by K-Beauty, because I just think K-Beauty is really beautiful with the glossy skin, the dewy glowy skin, and just the blown out lips and everything. So yeah, I haven't filmed a video for 3 months, or uploaded for 3 months. Honestly, like, I've been very unmotivated to film a YouTube video. I don't know if I like YouTube. It's very time consuming, and I don't know if it's for me, honestly. Taking the Pure Cosmetics Bare It All foundation. This is very full coverage. Even though I don't like it that much, I mean, I'm using it because it's $39. Right now it is like 10 o'clock on a Sunday. So should I be filming? No, not really. 10 p.m. not a.m. Anyway, I want to talk about a story. So recently in my school, we have a segment called Community Time, where every Monday we just come in during like the morning, and it's just different segments that we watch about the school, and it's like announcements and stuff like that, which is really cool. And they did a blogger one for YouTube channels, or a vlogger because video. And I was one of the people, obviously, because I have a YouTube channel. And I've been doing it for like 2 years, so. The teacher that edited it, I'm actually friends with him. I don't know if he's watching this, but I think he edited out the makeup part of it and the part where I said that I do makeup. And I'm just sad about that, because countless people have asked me what I do on my YouTube channel, and even teachers ask me because they somehow find out about it. And I never mentioned that I do makeup. I mentioned vlogs, story times, and DIYs and stuff like that, but I never mentioned makeup just because I'm not confident enough to. And I think if it was displayed in a video in front of the whole school, I have no choice, and I was really excited about that. But it wasn't included in the segment, and I'm not sure why. I think it might have been to either make me more comfortable because I'm friends with this teacher, or for some other reason. Maybe they didn't want people to know. But yeah, maybe it's too sensitive of a topic. I really don't know. Just going in with a damp beauty blender. So now I'm going to go to concealer. I'm going to mix two. This is a Wet n Wild concealer. This is cruelty-free. This is a Maybelline concealer. It's not cruelty-free. But I'm just going to go under my eyes. My camera's going to die, so hopefully it doesn't die on me while I'm filming. I'm just going to mix it too. And I'm just going to blend it over my eye too. Use it as eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I learned a trick from Jaclyn Hill. I'm pretty sure you know Jaclyn Hill on YouTube. So you take like a dewy spray. I'm using the Pixi one. She used Tatcha, but we don't have that type of money around these parts, as I said before. And you just dampen your sponge. You spray it with that. And then you go under your eyes. I like doing it under my eyes, but she went all over her face. I'm going to do that, but I feel like it's so refreshing because I'm going to put powder on too, so. And I do this multiple times during my makeup, so. Remember, all products will be in the description, and the cruelty-free status of the company, because I'm trying to go cruelty-free, as I said before, a million times. So yeah, I'm just going to, this just gives your skin a nice layer of moisture without disturbing your makeup or anything. It actually makes it look a lot better. So next I'm going to just set my under eyes and set my face. I'm going to use Coty Airspun powder. I'm pretty sure you've heard of it. It's not cruelty free. I kind of like this powder, like it sets makeup really well, but at the same time it's too brightening for me. Because of course, you know, when I first bought makeup I picked up the extra coverage one because I thought I needed that, but nope, I don't. Too much coverage. Too much. So now we're gonna set the face. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Advanced Radiance powder, and I'm going to take a little bit on a brush. You don't want to over powder in this look because it's supposed to be a glowy skin look. That's why I'm going under my eye, just taking out the powder and kind of canceling out the super bright powder, honestly, because I really don't like a super bright under eye. You kind of want to brush, because as I said before, we don't want this to be a powder look, so you want to kind of like brush, at the same time stipple a little bit, but mostly like graze over your skin. Now we're going to take the mist again, because we just put powder on, and we're going to go all over our faces. Let me just make sure my eyes are just set, there's powder, just to make sure it doesn't crease or anything. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to go in with my favorite shade, which is Creamsicle. It's right here. I love this shade so much. But maybe I should go into a transition first, shouldn't I? I'm the beauty guru here. I'm going to go into this transition shade. Just put that into my crease. Oh, another fact, I have been more confident wearing makeup lately, which is really good. Of course, I don't really wear it to school, but I do wear it out sometimes. Nothing groundbreaking, no like super sparkly eyeshadow or anything like that, but like. So next I'm going to go into the color called Creamsicle, and it's like a yellow. So with Korean beauty, I've been seeing a lot of yellow, blushy kind of looks. By the way, guys, if you have any video ideas that you would like to see, I have some ideas, but like, I would like more. Just comment down below. Don't be scared to engage with the video, you know. The more engagement, the better. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this very, very, very extremely warm brown. Warm, not worn. And I'm going to put it at the center of the eye. Nowhere else. Just like not the center of the eye, but the center of the crease. And just blend it out a little. This adds so much dimension to the look. Did I take it up too far? Oh my god, I did. Honestly, whatever. We're not beauty gurus. I'm supposed to be one, but I'm not. Nobody's perfect. Quote from Hannah Montana. And it's 10 o'clock on a Sunday night, so don't blame me. Trying to get a video out here. I'm going to go in with another brush and then just blend out the edges because they need to be blended well. Because they're rough right now. They're rough. Ooh, this looks better than I thought it did. I'm not going to be doing any under eye eyeshadow just because, as I said before, this is like supposed to be a quick look, supposedly. You know, I never do anything quick. Anyway, next I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm just going using a Colourpop Brow Boss pencil. This is broken, so I'm opening it slowly. As you can tell, I'm really not a beauty guru. Wow, my brows need work. Honestly, I just need to get close to do my brows. Ooh, I just cut that brow. Ew. I think right now I'm going to bronze, or actually contour. It's like, so it's this Lancôme bronzer, and it's almost my skin color, and that's really how I like my bronzers to be. And I don't like going a lot on the hollows of my cheeks. I generally don't bronze that much here. I just go in a little bit, because I feel like it looks like discoloration, you know? You want to be a bronze goddess, you know? So what I do bronze a lot is my forehead, but this bronzer is not really that pigmented, which actually I really like. I really like that it's just buildable, it's not really that pigmented. But I feel like when you put bronzer around your hairline, it really just frames the face well and makes your makeup look more natural. So this is my favorite blush, So Susan Blush and Glow. I got this in my Ipsy, and oh my gosh guys, this is so pigmented. So this is like part of the Korean beauty thing. So put it on the bridge of your nose, and this is pretty much to make yourself look younger, but you apply blush vertically instead of horizontally, you know? So now I'm going to go in with highlights, and I think this is a key step, but it can be detrimental. So with highlight, I've learned that using a small brush is the best method. Actually, before we add that, I'm going to take the Smashbox primer. It's like pearlized kind of primer, and I should have put this on before I put powder on, but I put it on after powder before, and it does just fine because even though it's a liquid product, it just sits well on the skin. So I think this is one of the key things to Korean beauty. Glowy skin is everything, and this stuff is like sure, it's glowy, but it's also like really moisturizing, so I love it. One thing that I can recommend to everyone in this day and age of highlighting: concentrate your highlight onto a small area of your face like I am right now. We're glowy. Let's take a little on chin. You can't neglect your chin, your cupid's bow, you know. So now we're actually going to take highlight from Wet n Wild, and this is in Golden Flower Crown. So I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to concentrate it on this one spot, and that's the key. Let's go on the bridge, the nose, a little on the tip. Cupid's bow. Never neglect your cupid's bow. Never, never, never. Actually, I'm going to go quite heavily on the cupid's bow, because lips are going to be a key part of this. The chin. And of course, the other side. Ooh, next is lips. I'm really excited for this part. So first, you're going to take a gloss. And I'm taking this thick and chunky Lancôme gloss. I use this all the time. Well, in my tutorials, I've used this so many times. Then take any pink lipstick, and you just want a dot. A dot. And just keep doing this. At first it's going to look bad, but you just have to keep kind of pressing it onto your lips. And don't use your fingers because you're gonna disrupt the layer. And our goal here is to create like a faded lip look. Okay, so that's our faded lip. So now I'm going to set my face, and then I'm going to do mascara. And in conjunction with that, I'm going to take the NYX Dewy Mist. I usually use a fan, but it's all the way over there, so I'm not gonna grab it. I'm not gonna get up right now. No way, Jose. So now we're gonna take mascara. I'm using Tarte's Light Camera Lashes. By the way, I am curious, does anybody throw away their mascara after 6 months? Because I don't, and I'm not going to. Okay. I think that is the finished look. Hey guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. I really hope you enjoyed all my talking, all my camera dying. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for the continued support, even though I've been gone for 3 months, and thank you guys for everything. And of course, like this video. What would a YoyoTele video be if I didn't obnoxiously say subscribe? My social media will be down below as usual. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Bye!